Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics.
Today I'm gonna show you how can you add two bots in Character AI.
First open a Character AI on a device and make sure you have logged into your Character AI. If you have logged into your Character AI, you can see this interface and you can see create option over to your bottom. Simply tap on it and you can see character, group chat, personal and voice. Tap to group chat.
Add a selected bot and tap to create. Through this process, you can add multiple bots and share ideas and creativity. And you can share projects idea with the bots and have a unique conversation with the bots.
This is how we can add multiple bots in Character AI. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful and informative, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel for more popular content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future episodes.
Until the next episode, bye bye. Thank you for watching us till the end.